Today we are going over to Ted and Suzanne Leonard's house. They have a small brick bungalow in downtown Bentonville. We're gonna go check it out.
Ted and Suzanne are moving here from Missouri. They travel a lot. They have people that come and visit, missionaries, exchange students. Their community is a global community. So I think we need to incorporate that into their house somehow, which would be really fun.
That's awesome.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
We're so glad you're here.
Thanks,
Yeah.
we're excited, ready to get started.
This is it.
Awesome. This is it,
Yeah,
yes. It was built in 1954,
Okay.
Okay.
and I don't think it's ever been updated.
So it's ready. It's
It's
time.
ready, it's time. I'm Ted Leonard. This is my wife, Suzanne.
And we've been married for 30 years. We have 4 grown daughters, and this is a new season of life for us.
So we just bought a home in Bentonville, and we were excited about living 2 blocks off the square. But the house was built in 1954. Lots of room for improvement.
The bedroom size is a little tight. We were hoping to make the bathroom a little more comfortable.
Certainly with our lifestyle, we'd love to have a big kitchen.
Lots of friends and family in the kitchen. That's pretty much our lifestyle.
Okay, so what are you guys planning to spend on this renovation?
We're thinking about $230 in that
Okay.
range for this
Okay.
project.
So tell me what you would like to see for this house.
We like the eclectic look because we've done a lot of traveling, so
I
we'd like
love
to see
that.
that here.
Yes. I feel like this house kind of could have a little bit of a bungalow feel.
Ooh, I
you
like
know?
that.
Yeah, that'd
like
be great.
So how's the roof?
Well, we know that there's been some water damage on some of the ceilings in the house.
Okay.
Probably needs to be redone.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me.
Okay. Are you good with keeping the brick?
We love the painted brick look.
Okay.
So yeah, we're real open to that. And I think maybe around the entry too, it's not as welcoming as we'd like.
What is happening with this porch? This is
Yeah,
interesting.
it's like a lattice with brick. but
Yeah.
not.
So we can get rid of that? You're
Yes,
okay with
please.
that?
This. What about the shutters?
Not liking them as they are.
They're already falling off.
Yeah.
Let's just
Yeah,
let
just
them
get
fall
rid
off
of
the
them,
rest
yeah.
of the way.
Okay.
This walkway could use some work.
Growing branches out of your sidewalk. That's never a good thing.
So outside, we need to get you a new roof, get rid of the shutters, replace the front door, and update this front porch and front walkway. We are going to paint the brick, new lighting, new landscaping.
I love that
Great,
idea,
it's
yeah.
perfect.
Head inside.
Okay.
All right. This must be the living room.
Yes.
Tell me what you guys think about this space.
We love the wood floors.
These are probably original, right?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like they patched the floor. It looks like we'll have to match that to the rest of the room.
I mean, the ceilings are kind of older
low.
and low.
We can vault it. I mean, I'll have to get up in the attic and verify it, but typically with a house of this age, we can do all that.
Hey, what about windows? Painted shut, and they're original. Probably need new windows too.
Yeah.
All right, so in this room, the plan is new windows. We'll keep the hardwood floor if we can, vault the ceilings, paint, give you new lighting, and create a nice neutral palette and bring in some global inspired pieces with furniture and accessories.
That sounds amazing.
Great,
Good.
we'd love that.
Okay, perfect. Well, kitchen?
Kitchen, my favorite part.
All right.
Yeah.
Little dated.
Yes.
I can see you don't love it.
Yeah.
Well, I don't see a big table in this spot.
Right.
And
Okay.
I would love to get 10 people spread out.
Okay.
Have a lot more kitchen room.
Something that we did in our kitchen, because we have a smaller kitchen kind of like this, is we created like a big U shape. So we use our table, it's basically in the center of our kitchen, and we use it as an island. Our kids are around it all the time.
We would just open this side up, and then you walk in, and the whole thing's kitchen with a big table for the whole family.
That'd be amazing. Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay, perfect. So that is your laundry. So we'll still need to access that, but maybe we can swap the doorway over there. And then for your pantry door here, if I could find an old, cool old door from Spain, for example.
Oh, yeah.
We might have to just take a little
I'll go
field
with
trip.
you.
Yeah, you want to go, we'll go look for a door. So the plan in here then, kind of redo everything. We'll open up the wall that goes into the living room. We'll do new windows. We'll give you new flooring that will be consistent with the living room so it flows really nicely. We'll do new cabinets, which will be a U shape, new countertops, a new backsplash, new lighting, a nice big dining table right down the center. We'll also add in the pantry.
That sounds amazing. Yeah.
Great,
Yeah.
yes. We think this is our bedroom.
Okay.
We're not quite sure yet.
I wouldn't change one thing in here. Throw a couple leather chairs in here, maybe some bourbon on the walls, and just leave it alone.
Okay, let's.
She just ignores me.
How many bedrooms are in here?
Three bedroom, 2 bath.
3. Okay. So do you need all 3?
No, we just need
Okay.
probably an extra bedroom.
Okay.
Would be optimal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe we could combine somewhere because this is kind of teeny.
Okay.
Should we go look
Yeah,
at
let's
those
go check it out.
rooms?
This bathroom.
So this will be the main bathroom in here. Look at the tub. Yep.
We have the exact same tub. You may have thought that this was only
It's a one of a kind, we thought.
one of
thought
a
it was
kind.
an original.
No, there were 2 built, and we have the other one.
It weighs a metric ton.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so this a fairly small bedroom.
Maybe there's a situation where this is the whole bathroom, and then what was the bathroom walks into the closet.
Yeah, I think we can remove the closet between the bedrooms and then expand the main bedroom. Then we'll convert the second bedroom into a new bathroom, and the old bathroom will make into a spacious walk-in closet.
That sounds
Great,
amazing.
that'd be
Yeah.
perfect.
All right, well, thank you guys. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, thank you,
Great.
Julie.
Bottom line is they want their home to be a place that's open enough to have a lot of people in it. And it's not a big house, so we really have to maximize every inch of this house.
Yeah.
It'll be a challenge. All the cabinetry goes, countertops
Cabinets
go, everything. The current bedroom that is going to be the main bedroom is pretty small, but we can open up the wall and steal some space from the current closet.
Just this extra 3 feet is gonna make a big difference.
We will now give them a giant new bathroom.
Try not to break the windows yet.
We'll eventually take out the windows and more of the walls. We're basically gutting this whole house, including the living room ceiling. I would love a vaulted ceiling in here, so I think we just take this whole thing out. This house is going to have this global Mediterranean eclectic feel, and I think it starts with the ceiling. I would love to have some wood treatment up there. I want to do beams, something. Whoa! Before we leave, let's get rid of this guy because we are gonna do a covered porch that's
Okay.
basically gonna span the bump out all the way to this bump out.
Oh yeah, all the way. That'll look way better.
We'll eventually be getting rid of this whole porch, but for now, let's just get rid of this railing.
Okay.
That really went a lot easier than I thought.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Man, imagine how dangerous that would have
Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3.
been. Let's get out of here.
Ted and Suzanne Leonard's house is going so great. We've got the living room floor all patched up and sanded, and we've laid down new flooring in the kitchen. Kitchen cabinets are finally in, which makes a huge difference in the house. It feels like we're making tons of progress now. It's starting to feel like, okay, this is gonna happen. So we're trying to create a little Spanish bungalow. So I was thinking of doing the front porch, we're adding new steps, and so on the risers, having Spanish tile.
And this is our slab roller. There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Ta-da!
Those are our slabs.
Okay.
We want really nice sharp corners.
Okay.
All right. So let's,
Oh, look at that.
I think it's gonna make a nice tile.
Yeah, I do too. Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
So here are some colors. So this is the clay we're using, just raw,
Okay, perfect.
actually. I pulled a lot of greens.
Yeah, I love that. I'm thinking we come up with a color palette that we can kind of intermingle between all of the steps.
That deep green.
Yeah, because that's pretty too. Oh, wait, this is pretty too. A little more muted.
Yeah.
Okay, I like this. The new tiles are going up on the roof at the Leonard house. And inside, we're adding handmade clay tiles to the main bathroom floor and walls. We used a lava rock on the shower floor to enhance the Mediterranean feel. The kitchen cabinets are getting a coat of sage green paint, while the living room ceiling, the bookshelf, and the exterior brick are getting a coat of white. Brady delivered the beautiful tiles she made for us, so those are going on the front steps to give this Spanish-style bungalow a modern twist.
Seeing Ted and Suzanne's house turn into this Mediterranean villa from like a brick ranch, has been amazing.
Babe, this table is perfect. It just looks so good in here.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
This was a little bit of a challenge to create a globally inspired home in Bentonville, Arkansas
Yep.
that feels like it fits in Bentonville, Arkansas.
Yeah.
And I think we pulled it off. I can't wait for Ted and Suzanne to get over here. Perfect. I think they're going to be surprised in the best possible way.
About there, about to see
Think
it.
we'll recognize it?
Oh, that's them.
Whoa!
Oh, wow, look
That's
at
not
that.
it. Look at the house, not the asphalt shingles. What? Wow!
Amazing.
Look at that. Whoa! Incredible.
Man, that is
Completely.
gorgeous.
How you doing? So good seeing you. Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you.
Thank you so much. Wow.
Look at this. I can't believe it. It's like a Spanish villa.
Yes.
It's got a
My
little bit of
goodness.
everything.
Wow.
The landscaping
The
and
sidewalk
the whole front area is completely changed.
Yeah.
and such a bigger window up front.
Yeah, they're so big and wide.
Yeah, it looks incredible. And then I can't even remember the porch that we had.
It was just
hardly.
a little thing there. Yeah.
Brick that was
Kind of-
falling over.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Wow. Color tone and tile roof. We've never had a tile roof before.
No.
It's an aluminum roof. It weighs 1/10 of clay tiles.
Wow.
This roof was the key piece. I wanted this to feel like a Spanish bungalow you found, right? Like,
Yeah.
And then you can see these little tiles going up the steps. A local artist actually handmade each tile.
Wow.
They're one of a kind. You'll never see them
Yeah.
anywhere
Oh,
else.
wow.
Well, I
Yeah,
love that
absolutely.
personal touch.
But yeah.
I think it's super cool. It feels like you guys put a lot of personal touches in this. And I love the whole idea that it's inspired from around the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, there's so much more. Do you guys want to go inside?
Oh,
All right,
absolutely.
okay,
Yeah.
go ahead. After
Wait.
you.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow, this is so different.
I love it. Look at the wood. It's incredible. I love
Yeah,
it.
that's great. And you raised the ceiling. We're so excited about that.
Yes. I love the angles.
I know, it's all very
Everything's
quirky
perfect.
and funky, but
Yeah.
really cool.
I love it. And the floors.
You like
These
that?
These
Yeah,
aren't the
look
same
at the-
floors.
They are.
They're the
Yeah.
same floors.
Yes.
We had to patch in certain areas, but used white oak and we used a 2-part epoxy, so it is indestructible.
I'm just speechless.
Yeah. Oh, look at the quilts.
So I actually had that quilt made. I worked with a local quilter, and basically every country that you guys are connected to, you sent us a list, and there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
So I took a color from each flag of each country
Oh.
and had a quilt made. So it's just a piece of artwork that, again,
That's
just
so
represents
cool.
your connection to the world.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
It says the Leonard family on it.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's really
Yeah,
special.
Thank you.
You're
for
so
that.
welcome.
It's just so much to take in. It's so incredible.
We have so much more. You gotta
I
go
know.
check out your kitchen.
Whoa, whoa!
Wow,
Amazing. Look
beautiful.
at this. Wow. That is incredible. Look at this. How open it is.
Look at the view of the living room from here.
Wow. Huge table. Look at this.
So Dave actually built this table for you
Oh,
guys.
no way.
Built this for you guys, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Cool is that? I'm so excited. I can't wait to cook in this kitchen.
Yay.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat in this kitchen.
All right, just still more to see.
Okay.
Should we go?
right
Check out
back
your
across
bedroom?
to your
Yeah.
bedroom.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Whoa, look at this.
Look at it. Oh.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
Amazing. Look at this.
Look, Ted, it's like a beautiful little window seat. You have nooks for your books up here.
Dave built this bench, Dave and his brother Matt. Yes, and again, like exactly what you said, Suzanne, that we wanted a space for all your books. So
This won't fit all of them.
Yeah,
This will fit a few of them.
yeah, a few books.
I love the colors. It's
Good.
just really peaceful.
Yes. Wow. Look at this. It's amazing.
Look at this.
Wow, look at the tile floor and
Yeah.
backsplash.
Oh, I got a tub. That's amazing. Look at that.
Yeah, and it's not the green tub. It's a little upgrade. Amazing, look at this.
And again,
Wow.
this is handmade tile, but this tile to me feels very Spanish
Yes.
villa bungalow.
Yeah.
Look at this flooring.
Oh, it's like pebbles down on the bottom.
Yeah. So yeah, again, just adds just like a bit of that like imperfectly perfect character.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so spacious in here, too.
I know.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, plenty of room.
Tons of
Lots of
room.
room.
Beautiful.
All right. Thank you guys again for letting us do this project. It was such a fun one.
Well, thank you. We couldn't imagine a better place.
You're
We
so
can't wait to
welcome.
start making memories here. So thank you guys.